Hello everyone, ChargeTech Reviews back, and today's video is about how we're gonna fix a Windows update error 0x80070bc2 on Windows computer. This error may occur on Windows 10, Windows 11 or other Windows operating system. So to solve this problem, click here the search icon and type here settings. So click here the settings, then after the setting, open under the system, scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Or else if you are under the Windows 10 computer, you can click here the search icon and type troubleshoot. Here the troubleshoot setting, then open it. So it will directly lead you to the troubleshoot page, and click here other troubleshooter. Then after you click other troubleshooter, you will find Windows updates. So select here run. So it will start detecting a problem related with Windows update. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed. So here the troubleshoot has completed. So click here close and close the setting. Then go here and restart your computer. So after the restart, click here the search icon and type here Windows Update. Here the Windows Update setting, then open it and click here check for updates. Then it will start checking for updates on your computer. And I hope this solution will solve the problem related with your Windows Update error. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. ChargeTech Review out.